In this tutorial, we'll show you how to localize your course in Articulate Rise 360 using the built-in translation tools. Start by opening your dashboard. Hover over the content tile for the course you want to localize. Click the More icon, that's the 3 dots, and select Translate. A translation dialog will appear. Here, you can confirm the source language. If your course is in English, leave it as is. If it's in a different language, simply update it. Next, choose one or more target languages from the drop-down list. You can also set the formality level automatic or formal, depending on your audience and tone. When you're ready, click Translate. Rise 360 will automatically generate a multi-language course, combining all versions into a single course stack. Back on your dashboard, the course stack tile now shows how many languages are included. Here, you'll see a sidebar listing all available languages. Click on any language to preview that version of the course. And that's it. You've successfully created a localized, multi-language course in Articulate Rise 360. Thanks for watching, and happy course creating with Articulate Rise 360.